inside. It's raining. Nice pretending it's sunny, but it's not. Come on. Come. Daisy, come. Hanny knows better. Hi, Hanny. Ollie. Come on, off. Okay. Some days it's just very gray and rainy. Little bit of a geranium. Daisy, can you entertain us? Ollie, can you entertain us? I don't have anything for you. How about we do something fun? Come here. Whee! You're so cute. Who's that? Who's that? Oh, Hanny. See how easy it is to take pictures of you guys? You guys just do nothing but sit around all day, especially in the rain. This is why we can't go for a walk right now, although we will. We'll go for a walk. Do you have anything you'd like to say, Henry? Ollie? Ollie, what would you like to say? What would you like to say? Daisy? What would you like to say? Like to say something? No? Aw? And give him a kiss? Oh, I know. Oh, Daisy, do this. Daisy, do this. Give Henny a kiss. Show everyone how you give Henny a kiss, and he hates it. Go on, give him a kiss. Give him a kiss. It's very fun. Yes. Give Henny a kiss. Give Henny a kiss. Give Henny a kiss. No? Well, that's all the excitement we're going to have on this rainy day. We're going to go outside in the rain, come back inside. Love you guys.